Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn $250 for 30 minutes. Okay guys, this is going to be an incredible site. You're going to be involved with a lot of research projects, and you can pick the ones that you qualify for or you want to try it out. I want to show you this, so let's get started right now. All right, everybody, here is the site I want to show you. It's called userinterviews.com, and that is exactly how you're going to get there, okay? So companies and brands come to user interviews in order to get people to participate in their research projects so they can improve the products and services better to serve their consumers, okay? So this website will be the ones that will be conducting the actual projects, the research projects, because they are the one that will be recruiting people like you and me to participate in these projects, okay? So what the companies want to find out is stuff like why people are using certain things and what their opinions are. So you are literally just going to be paid to participate on these things, and they're just asking you questions about how you like to do certain things. So let's just check it out, okay? So if you were to want to sign up for this, you would come to userinterviews.com, and then you either click this button here, sign up to earn money participating, or sign up to participate. Then you'll get to this website here. Share your opinions, get paid. It's that easy. The easiest way to get paid for your feedback on real products. And this is how it works. You're going to create a profile and find projects that interest you. You're going to complete screener surveys to see if you qualify. Of course, these surveys, you always have to do a little pre-screen to make sure you qualify. Then you sign up for sessions and participate, and then once you have completed the survey, then you will get paid. Okay, so see, these are some of the sample projects that you can be involved with. So help us test our new travel app. Let's say it's for 60 minutes you could earn $125. So this is a one-on-one interview, in-person session, and it's in San Francisco. So you really got to browse through the projects. They have a lot of projects, guys, okay? And you need to just find the ones that will that you can qualify for, basically. I mean, if you're not in San Francisco, you're not going to travel to there and lose money, right? Because you're only going to get 125 for it. So if you're in San Francisco, then this is definitely something that you could try applying for, since it's only an in-person. You could be there for an hour and you earn 125. And then there's stuff like this where you share opinions on streaming services, and you could earn $40 for 30-minute interview, okay? I mean, this interview is going to be on a Zoom, which means that it's just being conducted over the internet, so you could do this from home. Seeking feedback on food delivery options. So this is a project that they want you to kind of maybe check out how many times you order food, and then within those orders, how are the services. So you may need to kind of takes a little longer. You may need to collect more information, so you will earn a little more, like $200 for 2 weeks. So this is a multi-day session, and it's conducted online, so everything can be done from home for this one, okay? So if you browse all projects here, you will go to see the whole roster, okay? So if I click that right now, you will go to this browse active projects page, okay? And then you can filter out what kind of studies you want to be involved with. So I just have it all right now, so to show you what is available. So there's health and wellness, user experience testing. You get $40 for 1 hour, and you can see that these are if there are one-on-one interviews and the time brackets that are involved. So you can see that some are ongoing and some are like in the future. So you just gotta browse through and see what you want to be involved with that you think you can qualify for. The good news is that this site has a lot of different projects that are available, okay? So like this one here, gaming industry, IT, ops pros, $250 guys for 30 minutes of your time. This is a remote one-on-one interview conducted over the phone, so you don't even have to travel. So if you're in a gaming industry, you could provide them with let's see, this is the company, an independent market research agency is conducting this study to learn how gaming companies make the decision to invest in anti-cheating technology. So if you have anything, any knowledge about this, you could definitely apply to do this study for $250 for your 30 minute of time. Okay, so you just keep browsing. There's so many other projects for you guys to do. And what do you earn? So let's just go into one of these. It'll say what you earn. Like for this one, it says $40. It's an Amazon.com gift card. Okay, so for this one, this is a paid driving study, and this one you could earn $100 in Amazon.com gift card. So this is another in-person. So you guys see where it is. It says Boston. So you can see there's a variety of things that you can do. $90 for Amazon gift card. This is online. So this is outlining tool for feature in refinement. So that's pretty cool. And then this one is another Amazon gift card. So you're not going to be earning cash for these projects. It looks like, I think though there is an option for prepaid Visa cards I've seen as well, but just not right now. I can't tell from the projects list which one has a Visa card that you can earn. But anyway, there is definitely a variety, and what I like is that there's quite a bit, and it's a time frame that you can check out because it's ongoing for a good period of time, some of them. So you will have here's another $250 for 30 minutes. Wow. For computerized maintenance management solutions, enterprise asset management systems. I mean, obviously, this is something that is focused on somebody with specialty knowledge to earn that much. So the more special skills you have, guys, the more you can earn. So that is what this user interviews is about. And this is the page that you want to go to get started. Okay, guys. So you will get paid in most likely Amazon gift cards for this site, but has a variety and it pays well. It's definitely an option for you guys to check out to make some money online this way. Of course, you're not going to be qualifying for everything, so don't expect to be earning a lot from this site or consistently even, because you may not qualify for everything. So if you keep coming back to this site and check out the refreshing of the projects, you may keep finding something that it will qualify for. This is definitely an option for you guys to earn some money and hopefully save that money so you can invest in a program where you can learn high income online skills, guys. Okay, if you want to earn bigger money online, you need to kind of invest in a program like the one I've linked in the video description below. It's going to be the first link, so check that out. It's going to be a program that I personally use myself with a business model that earns me passively every single month a full-time income, and I don't even need my own products, guys. Okay, so check out that program, and I'm going to give you more information on it once you click through. Okay, guys. All right, I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. Okay, and I hope you hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. All right, guys, I hope I see you on the next video. Bye.